day 8 of our Pohnpei Micronesia vlog. So I'm back on the water again today. It's certainly a good place, Pohnpei, Micronesia, if you enjoy the water. Heaps of surfing, snorkeling, diving, kayaking, and even the hikes. We had quite the leisurely start to the day. Breakfast and then lunch at the Ocean View Hotel, looking out over the water. We then strolled down to the Mangrove Hotel, where we hired kayaks for $10 an hour, and spent a couple of hours out on the water in late afternoon. And the kayak is a great way to explore the maze of mangroves and a huge number of shipwrecks.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm an ass.